On your home ribbon in the font group, there is more few buttons that are wonderful buttons. You need to know about them. So we're gonna use them right here. Basically, sentence case is uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, title case. So we are gonna go ahead and change this first line to sentence case. So I will select this and right up here it says change case. When you click that drop down arrow, there's all your options. Now the first line simply means sentence case. The first would be capitalized. When I click this, it will capitalize the first word. It doesn't do anything else. It doesn't add the period at the end. That is for you to add. But it will absolutely add the first word of the sentence capitalized. It's pretty awesome. Now the next one we want to change is lowercase. In case you accidentally typed all caps, you just click the drop down arrow on the case and choose lowercase. Here we go. Again. Now we have to change this to all caps. So we will hit on drop down arrow and choose uppercase. It will keep all to uppercase. And now we have to change this to title case. So we will click on capitalize each word, or we can say in other words the title case also. It will capitalize each word. It will capitalize each word of sentence. So now the last one, we have to change this line to toggle case. So we will select this one and it will keep all to toggle case. Now see the blue squiggle. If you see this line, then right click on it and choose the correct spelling. That's all good. Okay, the next one is, let's see, I have a little textual error here. Whenever you see these squiggles, this blue squiggle, just hit your right mouse button and choose the correction, and that will take care of that little blue squiggles. Alright, now H2O. Now, if you are a chemist and you want to keep 2 as subscript, then right here there is a little button that called subscript. Here we go. And another one. Suppose if you want to keep the 2 subscript, then you can choose this option. Either you can set the superscript or you can set subscript. So here we go. Now, I always remember these are submarines are below the water, Superman is over the water. So subscript is below the line, superscript is above the line. Alright, suppose in case we have a trademark and we would like to keep TM as subscript, then we will choose this option and it will keep TM as subscript. Alright, that's one about the superscript and subscript. Now we will use the text effects button. Suppose here we go. If I hit on drop down arrow, you can see all the text buttons. So I will choose this one and make this bit larger. That's how you get fancy text options with the text box. Alright. And you have all these other options with arrow. You can spend a lot of time here doing whatever you want. Just keep in mind that you reach a limit of time. Alright, in this one, please highlight this phrase to make it stand out. Suppose if I want to highlight this phrase, then I will select this phrase and highlight it. Here, you can highlight the text with the color. If you hit on drop down arrow, you will get a list of colors and you can choose any color. I will choose yellow and it will highlight your text. There we go. And this paragraph needs to have all the formatting cleared from it. So I'm going to triple click to select the paragraph 1, 2, 3. We'll select the entire paragraph and right up here, this is called the clear all formatting button. Click, all gone, just like that. I don't have to figure out what was applied. I just hit the clear formatting button and it's gone. Alright, these font group options are very valuable when you need them. So use these options and these are very valuable when it comes the day when you need them. Alright, thank you.